Hello teachers. In this video, let us learn about the sounds of letters according to English Nalikali methodology. In the last videos, we learned the sounds of the second, third and fourth and the fifth cluster of letters. That is COAPT, ESBIN, UDGRM and FHLWY. So in the last videos we have learned the sounds of all these letters, and in this video we are going to learn about the sounds of the last cluster of letters, that is J, K, Q, V, X, Z. J, K, Q, V, X and Z. If you have not seen the videos of COAPT, ESBIN, UDGRM and FHLWY, you can just go through the last videos and you can clarify your doubts. So shall we go to the sounds now? Yes, okay. So the last cluster of letters is J, K, Q, V, X and Y. So it is letter J. Letter J says J. Letter J says J. The sound of letter J is J, and this is the way we write it in phonetic symbol. Let us see the examples. J for jug, jam and joker. Jug, jam and joker. Dear teachers, I have selected few examples over here because all these words are given in the ENK Nalikali cards. So for that purpose, the examples that I have selected are few in number. So it is J says J. Let us go to the next sound, that is K. K says K. So this is the sound. K says K. So it is key, kite and king. Key, kite and king. So letter K says K, and the examples are key, kite and king. Yes. Now we'll move to the next letter, that is Q. Letter Q sounds Q. Letter Q sounds Q. So it is K and W together. So it is Q. Letter Q sounds Q, and the examples are queen, quiet, quilt. Queen, quiet and quilt. So whenever we pronounce this particular sound, it is K and W together, it is Q. So queen, quiet and quilt. Okay. And the next letter is V. Letter V sounds V. Letter V sounds V. Dear teachers, this sound is called as labiodental sound. Because our upper teeth touches our lower lip when we pronounce or articulate this sound. It is V. V. You can see my upper teeth is touching the lower inner part of the lower lip, that is V. Whereas when we articulate the sound of this letter, it is W. Watch, wall, wait. Whereas if it is V, letter V sounds as V. 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 It's a labiodental sound. So it is V says V, van, vase and vegetables. Van, vase and vegetables. Next it is letter X. Letter X sounds X. Letter X sounds X. It is K and S together. So it is K and S, X. So let us see the examples. Box, box, and tax, and wax. Yes, letter X sounds X. So it is box, tax, and wax. And the last letter is letter Z. Letter Z sounds Z. Letter Z sounds Z. So this is the phonetic symbol of this letter. Sound Z. Z for zoo, zip, and zebra. It is zoo, zip, and zebra. Yes. So we have learnt all the sounds of the last cluster. Shall we revise once again? Yes. Letter J sounds J, jug, jam, joker. Letter K sounds K, key, kite, king. Letter Q sounds Qu, queen, quite, quilt. Letter V sounds V, van, vase, vegetables. Letter X sounds X, box, tax, wax. Letter Z sounds Z. It is zoo, zip, and zebra. Yes, this is the last cluster of letters, dear teachers. And this is the last video with regard to the sounds of letters. If you have any doubts, please you can clarify when you see the videos. And in my next coming videos, we'll be learning about how to recite the rhymes in English Nalikali. Whatever the rhymes you have in English Nalikali cards, you're going to learn how to recite the rhymes. So that's it for today. Thank you one and all.